Hello everyone, welcome to DNS installation tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a DNS server using Server 2019. Okay, this is my TCP IP configuration and 10.0.0.10 and subnet mask and the gateway. This gateway is pointing to my wireless router, and the preferred DNS server is pointing to itself. Okay, the same IP address you can see here. And currently I don't have internet. This is because I don't have a DNS server. Once we install the DNS, the internet will start working. This computer is on workgroup, not on the domain. And this is my detailed network diagram. I have a domain, okay, and that domain we need to add this in DNS suffix. Let's see how we can go and add this. I'm just right clicking here, properties, and then change setting, and the computer name, the host name of this computer is DC01. And you click on change here and then more, and here I need to put the primary DNS suffix. .local. Okay, I'm going to restart the computer, okay, and then come back. Okay, from now I'm going to add the DNS role. Manage, add roles and feature, next, and next, and the DNS server. Install. Okay, the DNS role has been successfully installed. You can see here right now the internet is already started working. Now we go and configure the forward lookup zone and the reverse lookup zone. DNS, and I click on forward lookup zone, right click, new zone, the primary zone. The zone is same as the primary DNS suffix. And I'm going to select allow both non-secure and secure dynamic updates. Later in the video, okay, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do the secure dynamic update. Okay, I'm going to do the reverse lookup zone. .0.0. And I'm going to select allow both and non-secure and secure dynamic updates. Okay, I'm going to create a record. The A record is already there, and on the reverse lookup zone it's not there. Let's go and check whether the DNS has been successfully installed or not through the PowerShell. You can use also command prompt, cmd ns lookup. Okay, ns lookup. This is the command for DNS troubleshooting. Okay, it gives unknown. Okay, I'm guessing because I did not create a record on the reverse lookup zone. Let's go and create. new PTR record. This is the IP address. I'm going to browse forward lookup zone, and this is the one. Fully qualified domain is dc01 techsite.local. Okay, let's go and try to do NS lookup one more time. Okay, the default server is dc01.techsite.local. The DNS has been installed successfully. Okay, as you can see here, the internet is working fine. Let's check it from here. The internet has been working successfully. Okay, in the next video, I will show you how to set up Active Directory in this computer, in this server. Okay, and thanks for watching, and you have a great day.